Good morning, my name is Roman Shigut, and today I will show you how you can control Keboola through CLI. What we can see here is Keboola platform, which you can control via UI, normally as you're used to. For example, if I want to change a component, say this telemetry one, I can do it via changing these things here directly. Or I can do it in a command line. How I'll do it is easily. I've prepared folder here, which I drag and drop here into this Visual Studio. I will go to new terminal and basically go for KBC init. It will ask me for URL, which I'll paste here, and also it will ask me for token. I have an option to work with GitHub. Now for this purpose, I will say no, but you can work with GitHub very easily. What happens is that I have all the structure, which is similar to my project here in UI, here in this tool. Well, now I will find in extractors, I will find the extractor I want to change or alter, which is this telemetry one. In configuration, I can see what I can change actually. For example, these two incremental fetching and incremental load are both checked, so it means it's true. And say I want to change from true to false, this one. So I will just change it, save it, and here I will go for KVC. Push, hit enter, and once it's done, I will go back to UI, and here I will refresh the page and we'll see that the checkbox for incremental fetching is unchecked. So that's the process which helps you, or which you can use for controlling Keboola through CLI. And I hope you find this useful. Thanks for watching and good luck with working with Keboola.